In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change the footer links on your PremiumPress website. To begin, let's learn where the footer settings are found. The two menu options here refer to the two menu columns within your footer design. You will notice that the footer links box is empty or not selected. This means the theme will use the default footer links. To create your own links, you simply create two new menus in WordPress. Now you can add the links you want to your menus. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.